Okay, so this is what you guys are going to be doing for the lab. So the first thing you're going to do is turn on your scale, wait for it to 0, and then you will place on your graduated cylinder, wait for that to settle down, and then you will tare it. This will create a 0 reading on the scale. And now the next step is to record several different volumes of liquid and record the mass of the liquid. Okay, so I'm just going to spin this around so I can read it. I'm going to be putting in this blue sugar water, and I want several measurements from approximately 10 milliliters up to approximately 50. It doesn't have to be exact. So we've done this before, so you should know how to go about doing it. So my first volume is about, it's actually exactly 13 milliliters. So 13 milliliters, it's upside down for you, I apologize about that. And I record the mass, which is 13.35 grams. Now the next step is, you don't need to dump out this. You just add a little bit more to it and take your next measurement. So we want to take about 4 or 5 measurements total. So my next measurement is going to be, looks like 23 milliliters with a mass of 25, I'm reading it upside down, but I think that's right, 25.78 grams. We're really going to be, it just changed. We're going to be rounding to the nearest decimal point, it doesn't really matter. So 25.8 grams, essentially, once you round it off. And then we will repeat this a few more times until you get to your maximum measurement of, this is 29 milliliters. And you want to get to your maximum measurement, 33.99, what fun. Let's just call that 34 grams. Okay? There's no way we're going to be graphing 34.99 on our graph. So I think you get the idea. So you're going to be, one group will measure sugar water, which is blue, and the other group will be measuring oil, and your teacher can tell you more about that. Once you have completed your measurements, you will create a graph of grams versus milliliters so that we can calculate density of each liquid, and you will graph your two liquids on the same line. So what you will end up with, and again, you're using a ruler, we're going to have one line that looks like this, and another line is going to look something like this, because we have two different liquids with two different densities. And you will graph them on the same graph, labeling each line. So you're going to label which one this is and which one that is. And then your teacher will collect that, and I will look at those later. Okay?